Mark from Goodhouse, we've been a preferred contractor for them for the last couple of years. They work on designing sustainable houses which integrate solar, energy efficient air conditioning, passive cooling and heating. We've worked in with Mark on these projects to come up with a solution that's going to bring as close to a zero carbon emission house as possible. Most of the clients have also got EV, so they've got the electric vehicle. So we're looking at also installing EV charging in their garages, which works very well with the solar and the battery. The customer that are building with Goodhouse are planning on living in these properties for a substantial period of time. They're not looking at building these and on selling. They're looking at staying in these properties for more than 10 years. So putting in a cheap system on a property like this would be, especially with the emissions of producing the panels, etc. If you have to pull the panels out after 5-10 years and replace them, it sort of defeats the purpose of their whole ethos of sustainable housing. So when we put these panels in, they'll be on the roof for 25 years and producing good power for that period.